Hello friends, how are you? I am so excited to bring this video to you because let me tell you, Tuesdays in September are going to be I cooked like so-and-so. 3 of them at least are going to be celebrity TV chefs. So today I have 3 fabulous recipes from somebody you probably all know very well. By the name of the pioneer woman, Ree Drummond herself. So I'm very excited to bring this video to you. I was busy in the kitchen that day. I will tell you that I do not normally cook 3 meals a day. I just don't. Even on weekends, we don't usually eat 3 meals a day as a family. The boys might snack here and there, but we usually at least have 2, which would be breakfast and supper. Lunch is kind of find your own, whatever. I am not a breakfast person, and so I usually grab a snack about 2 o'clock, and then I'll have supper when we have supper. That's just how I am. I don't eat in the morning. I don't like to eat in the morning. So today we are going to cook like the pioneer woman. Let's go. Okay, the very first recipe is something that once I looked at it, I'm like, why didn't I ever think of that? And it's breakfast quesadillas. Breakfast quesadillas, oh my goodness. So when I saw the recipe, I looked at it. I did not follow it to a T. I kind of woke up Monday morning. I did all these yesterday on Labor Day because we grilled sausages and stuff, potato salad, all that good stuff on Sunday. So I left to Monday open specifically for this day because cooking 3 full meals, well, sort of, kind of takes time. And to film it is the part that kind of, usually I can multitask and do several things, but to film it all, I kind of had to literally focus. So anywho, so that morning I knew I was gonna add some veggies in and kind of do it my way. Took the concept, made it my own. And the funny thing is, I'm pretty sure Ree Drummond, the pioneer woman, has done that herself many other times, just like you guys. They were a hit. Everyone in my family loved them. You're gonna see one different because I do have one of my guys does not like eggs, period. And so I had to do his a little bit different. So you're gonna see that as I prep it. And let's go look at them. Let's take a look together.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, oh you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
It is raining, but all I can see is the summer we spent. The letter in my wallet, I'll keep it till we meet again. You should never doubt it's true. I am not for good.
Simple, right? That is like awesome. The next recipe is actually an appetizer recipe. Instead of something maybe for lunch, a little bit more, I don't know. These were pretty sustaining. So we went to the gym yesterday, ran a lot of errands, took the time to take care of some labor around the house. I needed to change bulbs, as you guys know. I had changed some bulbs outside, had laundry, had a lot to do. But we still made time for some fried ravioli. And this was a big hit with the guys. My husband was asleep. He had to work last night, so he missed out. But we really love these. I had never had fried ravioli before. Seen them on a menu in the appetizer section, and I'm the kind of gal that I will order an appetizer for my meal instead of an appetizer, because that's just what I like to eat. I like appetizers. So we made those, and they too were a great big hit. So let's go look at that.
Tell me that I should move on and try and forget. This is not another tragic love saga that dies in the end. The letter in my wallet, I'll keep it till we meet again. You should never doubt it's true. I am not for good.
but not least is the all-time famous Marlboro Man sandwich. This is one of Ree's oldest recipes. I started following her blog before anybody really knew who she was. From the very beginning, I was reading her blog. And so as she grew, it was kind of fun to watch her grow and to watch other people find her, because she's just absolutely an amazing person. I love their family, and her recipes are always really good. That ravioli, I did add a little bit of seasoning to the to the flour, the eggs, and the breadcrumbs. They weren't on there, which was odd to me, but I learned a long time ago from my mama that you season as you go. We don't wait to the end and try to catch up. You season as you go. So I knew to season the components for the ravioli, which was absolutely easy. I mean, come on, throw in the seasonings you like and move it. But the Marlboro Man sandwich I have made before. Excuse me. I have made it before, and my family loves it. So I thought, why not? Because it's already a tried and true for us, a recipe that we love. And so there you go. There is one more recipe of hers that I am wanting to make, but I think I might try to save it for Fall Food Friday. So you have to come back on Friday to see that. So there you go. Every Tuesday, like I said, will be an adventure. So let's go check out this adventure right now.
On the grass, I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last, and I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what.
How about that? Simple, literally done in 30 minutes. That is a great weeknight supper, dinner for you guys who don't live in the South. It's a great weeknight supper because it's quick and it's very filling. Usually I serve that with chips or tater tots or something. Last night I didn't. No one really wanted them. My family goes through phases where they're interested in chips and interested in tater tots or fries, and sometimes we just don't want anything on the side. The sandwich was filling enough. I will put a picture of mine I was going to show you how I made them. And I don't know if I caught that clip or not. I'll have to go back and look at that again. You've already seen it. But I will show you a picture of mine, which I already did, that had cheese on it. I like pepper jack cheese on mine. A girl likes cheese. So every Tuesday in September, come back to see who I'm gonna cook like next. Might be one of your favorites. Who are your favorites? Do you watch like Food Network? Who are your favorite online TV chefs? TV food celebrities, let's put it that way. Who are they? Maybe you can introduce me to someone new. I do have one more week open, and I'm not sure who to fill that with. So maybe you can help a girl out. What do you think? I will see you guys tomorrow for Right On Wednesday, because I have a video for you on there too. I will see you guys later. Bye!